Today, I will show you how ERP Approval Process controls every business decision in a smart and automated way. ERP Approval Process ensures that every request is checked and approved by the right authority before execution. In traditional systems, approvals take time because people depend on emails, calls, and paper documents. But ERP system automates the entire approval flow and makes everything fast, accurate, and transparent. For example, a purchase request is created in ERP by the store department for raw material. The system automatically sends this request to the purchase manager for review and approval.
Perfect.
If the amount is high, ERP forwards the request to the finance manager for budget verification. The finance manager checks the budget and ensures that company rules are properly followed. After approval, ERP automatically generates a purchase order and sends it to the supplier. If any approver rejects the request, ERP sends it back with a clear reason for correction. This system reduces errors, saves time, and improves control over business operations. It also provides a complete audit trail, so every action can be tracked easily in the system. ERP Approval Process makes businesses faster, more secure, and fully controlled with complete transparency. In the next video, I will explain how a company is set up inside an ERP system step by step. Join our ERP Foundation series to learn ERP from basics to advanced concepts in a simple way. If you want to learn more ERP concepts, like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for updates.